May kembot ako. I finally got to visit the Aquino Center and Museum in Tarlac. I was planning a low-key walkthrough, but I was lucky. Good timing na the center manager, Miss Karen Carrera, was there and offered to take me around. The museum is a quiet tribute to a family who made a mark on the nation. The exhibits hedged on the lives and legacies of Ninoy, Cory, and Noynoy Aquino. Kadalasan when you go into a museum, may linear path yan. They ask you to start from the first exhibit and end at the last. The museum is organized differently. They chronologically presented the crossroads in the lives of these personalities, making you imagine outcomes between different choices, choosing a quiet life versus public service, or agreeing versus dissenting. Para siyang naging choose your own adventure, complete with a maze-like series of exhibits. I lingered at the genealogy exhibit, syempre. Saw family photos that are not often seen online, but there were no big surprises if you read the book The Aquinos of Tarlac by Nick Joaquin. The exhibits were rich with details kasi nga, they were writers and were surrounded by writers. They held onto letters. Ang daming primary sources and photographic proof of their lives on display.
There are many fun details to discover. For example, in the exhibit of Ninoy's incarceration, meron dong kalendaryo. If you look at May 1977, on May 8, you can see his notes. It says, "It's a boy for Paul. Melencio Paul Benigno IV." That's Senator Bam Aquino, pero off yung birthday niya. Ang birthday niya is May 7, pero nalaman lang ni Ninoy on May 8.
The emotional points in this one family's life corresponded to milestones in our nation's journey. Martial law, exile, assassination, people power, the fight for the West Philippine Sea, among many others. The Aquino family is a fading political dynasty, but there is no doubt that their legacy remains vivid. The answer why that is can be found within this museum. I feel every photograph and artifact here speaks softly of a sense of duty, sacrifice, and service. Kung maligaw kayo sa Tarlac and you have an hour or two, kumembot kayo pa Aquino Museum to look back and learn. O, diba?
Meow meow.